Welcome to EasyKnowHow. Instagram has added a new text-based feature called Notes. I'm Jessica from Docomo and are only visible to followers who you follow back, or you can restrict a note to close friends only to post a note on Instagram. First, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the newest version. Then open Instagram and go to your direct message inbox. You should see the new notes section at the top to post a new note. Tap the plus sign on the left of the notes. That section type in what you'd like your note to say. You can use up to 60 characters including spaces. Now you can choose whether you'd like to share it with followers you follow back or just the people on your close friends list. When you're ready, tap share your note will appear at the top of your note section and only the people in the group you selected will be able to read it, just like stories. Your note will disappear automatically after 24 hours. If you tap your current note, you can replace it with a new note or delete it. That's all it takes to post notes on Instagram. Thanks. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel Easy. Know how we put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.